Hi there, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another virtual tour of a pre-owned 2016 CS Adventurous. This is going to be on the Mercedes chassis. This will have in-floor heat, has around 15,000 miles on it. We got 270 watts of solar on the roof, the in-engine generator. We do have the screen kit, and it is in the black exterior, so it's really quite stunning. Has a really nice reflective surface on the outside. A lot of metallic flake built right in, so really looks great with the aluminum wheels, the Alcoa aluminum wheels that come with this particular coach. So very fantastic looking. We have a hitch and wiring on the back. We can tow 5,000 pounds with this guy. So they are tow vehicles as well. On the other side here, we do have an outside shower, which is always nice. We'll have our output for our Aldi in-floor heat and hot water system as well. Have a lot of windows on here. It also has a luxury chassis package that'll give you blind spot assist, heated seats, lane keeping assist, collision assist. It's really quite nice. So let's take a look inside the coach here. We'll have a nice chair set up here. I know a lot of people do a lot of different things with this. Some people will remove them, put dog crates here. Some people will just remove them. Some people will get an armoire for here. So a lot of different things you can do with this extra seat. You can also get an optional Roadtrek mattress to lay from this seat to the front seat to sleep a third person. So a lot of different things we can do here, but it does make it feel a little bit more open just having the captain's chair there. And we have our nice big Norcold refrigerator and freezer, 7 cubic feet. Huge fridge and freezer, the biggest one they put in any Class B. So really nice fridge and freezer. That's all going to run off the electricity on this one, as you have around 800 amps of batteries on here. These are the AGM batteries, so they're no maintenance in terms of having to turn them on. That's one really nice plus with the AGMs is really you don't have to turn them on for the solar to work. There's no battery discharge when you turn the lithium batteries on, for instance. So they're going to be a little less fussy than the lithium batteries, while giving you approximately the same amount of battery power. We'll also have the induction microwave, or convection microwave. Sorry, I always get those two mixed up. So it's a convection microwave, and it's at eye level, so it's really easy to get to. I know a lot of people say they hate bending down to, get to a certain appliance. This one's, very smartly just put right above the refrigerator for easy access and easy use. We'll have a little bit of front storage up here too. So a little bit up here above the cabin, and our cockpit here, we're going to see all of our Mercedes accessories. We'll see our heated seats and lane keeping assist. This one also has a special upgraded Kenwood touchscreen GPS and backup camera. It's got a little bit bigger screen than the other one had, and it is actually a touchscreen panel versus the Mercedes. You have to basically use a little wheel on the Mercedes Becker nav system. So the Kenwood will be a nice little upgrade on this one. Give you a little bit brighter, bigger screen, and that should be nice. And we have steering wheel buttons to take phone calls and turn the volume up or down or change the song. So really quite nice there. It is also fully equipped for towing with a digital brake controller built right in. So did want to tow something, it has the brake controller built right in. So that's going to be our cockpit. Moving backwards here, so the CS is the only model with true in-floor heat. So we'll have many other Class Bs and Roadtreks that'll actually have radiant heat. The difference is the CS is the only one where it's actually in the floor. So we actually have glycol hoses running through the floor here, and they'll gently heat up. It's a very quiet heat. When you turn it on, it's going to be silent, and it's not going to be a real dry heat like forced air would be. You're going to have a really nice heating experience with this. There's also a heat exchanger built right into the engine, basically like a pump. So, like, what would be really nice is if you're driving down the road, you can have it set so that it'll actually heat the coach from the heat from the engine. And if it's summertime, you can also just have it heat the hot water heater. And that way, when you're at your site, you have your hot water or you have your warm coach and you're ready to go. It also works the other way around. So I get this question a lot, do these diesels have preheaters? Well, they don't from Mercedes, but with these Aldi systems, or specifically with this Aldi system, you will actually get sort of a preheat. So when you turn the heat on, if you turn that heat exchanger on, it will also preheat your engine for you. If you're going to be skiing and the weather's going to get below zero, that's going to be a great way to go. So, going to be a great heating system on here. And we have the nice granite countertops. There's an instant tankless water heater for brewing tea or coffee. Stainless steel backsplash there for easy cleaning. Plenty of counter space here. Lots of really nice cabinetry. We have the cherry wood featured in here. Very beautiful looking wood. Let's take a look at our bathroom setup. So there is actually a radiator in here from the heating system. It's alright if water gets in there or whatever, it's not going to hurt anything, but it'll actually heat the bathroom area here too. And you do have a sink. The shower's going to be up here. We'll have a little room for shampoos and conditioners and things like that. Our toilet will, of course, be right there. We have a nice mirror and everything, so nice big bathroom. Even a bigger guy like me can easily take a shower in here, so always nice on the larger Mercedes. It also has the fantastic fan with the remote control on it. It also has a rain sensor built in there, so if it does start to rain, that vent will automatically close up, and you won't have water inside the coach. It's also thermostatically regulated, so you can set your temperature and kind of get whatever you want from it. Works great with the screen kit, especially if you have the screens out. The more screens you have out, the more air it sort of draws in. As it sucks air in and out, the more screens you have open, the better it'll work. So coming back here, as you can see, there's going to be lots of great cabinetry, lots of great room for storage. The CS is really called the Camping Special. Really, I like to think the CS is really a great one if you're going to actually be spending a decent amount of time in here. There's going to be a lot of great cabinetry for storage. The heating system's great for any type of weather. So I think if you're spending any length of time in these, the CS is a great way to go, where we get some people who just want to travel with these and they're fine with that. These, if you're going to be spending on any kind of length of time, the CS is really the best way to go. So you can also take a look. This is going to be for our fantastic fan. We'll have our Aldi touchscreen control here. That's going to be for the heat and hot water. You can also boost water to the hot water heater, so if you want to take a longer hot shower, you can do that. But it's all completely silent. Very, very nice system. Of course, we'll have our 24-inch LED TV. We have a DVD player that goes with it. We have full surround sound all throughout with a subwoofer. So plenty of speakers all throughout to really jam the tunes if you want to. Otherwise, it's great for surround sound if you're watching a movie, or even you can switch the speakers if you're riding down the road and you want all the speakers to work from your car stereo. You can switch them to go that way as well. So we also have memory foam built right into the bed and power sofa on these. Really nice addition on the Mercedes. So it's an easy push-button power sofa that converts into a king-size bed. Memory foam's already built in, so no need to bring a topper or anything like that if you don't want to. There's going to be great day-night shades on all of these. So if you'd like some sun to come in during the day, and then at night you can have complete privacy. So definitely a great setup. There's also 3 seat belts back here for a total of 6 passengers altogether. So you can really bring quite a few people along should you desire. And all in all, it's in mint condition. I mean, right around 15,000 miles. It's just under 15,000 miles on here. It's got a lot of great technology. It's in like new condition. So come out and see it. Again, my name is Josh. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. If you want to see current pricing and stock availability on this one, check out advancedcamping.com. If you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.